Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flour-free oatmeal bread. It is very interesting because it's only a few ingredients and in no time you will get to make that bread and enjoy it. Let's just get right into it. For this recipe, I am grinding my oatmeal into a powder form because that's what I would need in order for me to make the oatmeal bread. Once I'm done grinding my oatmeal flour, I am transferring it into a new bowl, and in that new bowl, I'm going to start mixing my dry ingredients. And those dry ingredients are salt, sugar, and baking powder. Baking powder will help the flour to rise once I will bake it. Now, once I'm done, I'm now going to mix my wet ingredients. The yogurt I'm using is the unsweetened yogurt, so I'm also adding milk. For this recipe, I'm using almond milk, so that's what I'm adding. Then I'm also adding 1 egg, and I'm adding honey. Honey is what's gonna make the bread sweet and very tasty. So instead of sugar, if you don't want a lot of sugar, honey will be just a substitute for the sugar in the bread. So I'm mixing all my ingredients, and once I'm done, I'm now taking my dry ingredients and I'm adding whole oats into the oat flour just to make sure that whenever I will have my bread, when it's going to be cooked, it's going to be crunchy and nice to the taste. So now I'm also adding my wet ingredients and start mixing them together. As I'm mixing, I'm making sure that everything is well blended together. And then once I'm done mixing it, I'm now going to set it aside. And I'm going to take now my bakeware and with my parchment paper, because instead of trying to clean the bakeware after, you can always use parchment paper. So I'm pouring it in there. In the meantime, my oven has been preheating for 400 degrees and I'm going to bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. And I'm now sprinkling oatmeal oats over to my bread dough to make sure that when it cooks, it's going to be crunchy when it comes out of the stove. So you can also find different ways to use oatmeal oats, and you can find how to make oatmeal milk with one of my videos in my feeds. One way of knowing that your bread is also ready is by sticking up a butter knife inside of your bread loaf. And if it comes out clean, then you know that the bread is totally cooked. So as you can see, it's very nice. You can serve the bread with a homemade ice cream that you can also find in my video feeds in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. If you like the contents of the videos I'm making, don't forget to subscribe and share the video so that others can also enjoy making a flour-free bread. And until next time, enjoy.